Thank you and welcome back. I'm Paul here demonstrating to you the smart home automation system using Raspberry Pi and an Arduino. So here we've got our web control interface, which is still being run on the Raspberry Pi sitting in there. So at the moment this is an HTML and CSS web running on the Raspberry Pi. Fortunately it's still HTML and not HTML5, so it's not adaptive to your phone or your small screen. Basically now I'm running it as at maximum width of the LCD there, which is 720p. So if I maximize, it should fit nicely. So on your top left you should be able to see humidity data. Humidity data, it's sitting at 35, and all this data we retrieving it from the humidity sensor here, the DHT11. And let's go back. Also the CPU temperature of the CPU, as you can see, between the hours of, what is time is that, 10 to 2, the CPU was sitting at 40 degrees, so it was overworking, and then now it's a nominal temperature, which is 37. All this is being retrieved from the Raspberry Pi, and here is the current weather conditions outside. I'm not sure if you can see that. So I'm getting the weather notification from Arduino and O. And here is the light intensity sensor, as you can see. So light dropped from, okay, when was it? Okay, yesterday the system was off, and then I only rebooted it from about 11 AM this morning. So you can see light intensity is pretty much stable at the moment because it's during the day. And there on your right you'll see the gas sensor data being projected out on the screen there. The gas sensor, it's sitting right there. There is the gas sensor there. At the moment I'm using an MQ2 gas sensor connected to the Arduino, and we're retrieving the data using USB serial from the Arduino to the Raspberry Pi to ThinkSpeak. This is ThinkSpeak to plot your graphs in there. Also you'll see the temperature reading on the yeah, that's the ambient temperature. It's sitting at 23 degrees. All this still from the DHT11 sitting there. And in the middle of the control interface you'll see there's buttons for kitchen light, dining room light, and so on and so forth. So the idea here is to control your lighting or anything, whichever you want to put on your project, or on your product. So I'll simply demonstrate the kitchen light. There's the idea. So the moment I press that button, the light should go off instantaneously. So I'm gonna click on it. Because it was on, it will stay on, but now I'm gonna click on it and the light went off. And also this refreshes the website interface. Also if you look there, it should also tell you the time and date of year and today's date. If I click it again, the light should go on. Yes. Thank you for watching.